Today we talk about how can you enable alarm on your money manager app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on configuration, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And all you have to do now, so you just keep going down here, you click here on alarm settings, just click on it, then you click here on this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. And here can you select this here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,